In today's review, we're diving deep into the newly released multi-search and multi-AI software. If you've been searching for a tool that revolutionizes how you interact with AI and search engines, stick around because I'm about to reveal the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this groundbreaking software. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether it's the right solution for your needs. Now, before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can try multi-search and multi-AI for completely free through the first link below. Trust me, after you see what it can do, you'll want to take full advantage of this opportunity. So, what makes multi-search and multi-AI stand out? First, it's designed to integrate multiple AI systems and search functions into one unified interface, giving you the power of several tools all in one place. If you've ever felt like switching between different AI platforms just to get the right answer, this software is about to save you a lot of time and frustration. Next, it simplifies complex queries. With multi-search and multi-AI, instead of typing multiple searches across different platforms or asking different AIs, you can input one query, and it intelligently processes the request across several sources. This means you get a much more refined answer without the headache of manually switching between tools. Another incredible feature is its ability to handle multi-step tasks. Rather than you having to manually organize and structure the flow of information, multi-search and multi-AI takes care of it for you, helping to create seamless workflows. Whether you're managing digital marketing campaigns or researching data across several platforms, this feature alone can significantly increase your productivity. What about customization? Multi-search and multi-AI allows you to tailor the software to your specific needs. This means you can set it up to prioritize certain types of results or use specific AI models depending on the nature of your query. For digital marketers or anyone in the data space, this means you're getting results that are even more refined and actionable. Let's talk about the user experience. The interface is designed to be intuitive, even for those who aren't familiar with complex AI systems. It's a simple, clean interface with advanced features in the background. Plus, it's fast. Gone are the days of waiting forever for a result. Multi-search and multi-AI delivers answers quickly, which is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. Now, I've also noticed that the software's integration with other tools is seamless. Whether you're using it for content creation, research, or SEO, it integrates smoothly with other platforms, making it a great addition to your existing toolset. This connectivity also makes it easier for teams to collaborate since everything is synchronized in real time. Lastly, the flexibility of multi-search and multi-AI cannot be understated. It adapts to different industries and use cases. Whether you're an e-commerce entrepreneur looking for insights, a researcher gathering data, or a marketer optimizing campaigns, this software provides unique value tailored to your specific field. Now, if you want to test it out yourself, make sure you head over to the first link in the description below and try it for free. Trust me, after exploring multi-search and multi-AI, you'll want to incorporate it into your digital toolkit. I've reviewed thousands of AI tools, and based on my experience, I've listed the best ones in the description for you. If you're looking to explore more options, check out those links and you'll find something that works perfectly for your needs.